Hey guys, welcome back to the Eco Brothers. And on today's episode, we are going to get started on the Focus ST, guys. We got it back from the frame shop. He did a really good job. It turned out really nice. The gap lines are really good. We're super happy about it, super stoked. So today we want to start working on the Focus, putting some filler on it, sand it down, take it apart, and everything like that. So,
Bro, you started at me. Come on.
I thought you were working on the Mustang.
Oh yeah, you probably should work on that Mustang. It's true.
Yeah, so you work on the Mustang, and I'm working the Focus, and I'm probably gonna finish before him, because
whatever. All right, sounds good. Challenge accepted.
So guys, I just challenged him that I'll get the Focus done before he gets the Mustang done. But I didn't tell him which Mustang, so I'm probably gonna beat him, guys, but he doesn't know. So if you guys liked our videos, be sure to be subscribed, hit that notification button, and see what I'm gonna do today. Alright guys, let's check out the Focus after the frame job. So the gaps look really good. Came out really nice. Let's look inside. Really nice, guys. So we'll get inside the shop. We'll start stripping it down. Grind it down a little bit. Put some filler on it. Get some primer on it. We'll go from there. All right guys, I just finished up. I put 2 coats of primer on it. So we got the filler on there first, then we got the primer, 2 coats, so it came out really nice. So that's all the time that we have for tonight. It's getting pretty late here, so I'll catch you guys in the morning. But if you guys like this video, give us a like, give us a comment, and hit the subscription button, guys, and hit that notification.